So just to give a further example on the spare parts industry, and we look at this very significant demand that we have in the energy sector for pipelines. And if we look at some of those examples of spare parts that are needed just in that sector, we are looking at around about 19,000 casing heads, which are needed annually. Trees also around 19,000. You're looking at packers of around about 45 million units per annum, and hanger assemblies of around about 40,000 units. So really quite a large amount of spare parts, and these are just very few examples to do that. So we know the demand is there for spare parts, but now is how do we localize a spare parts industry in Saudi Arabia that currently does not produce many spare parts themselves? And it's very clear that the only way to achieve this is through initiatives, both government and non-government initiatives, to basically attract international businesses, but also to support local Saudi Arabian entities to invest in Saudi Arabia and to manufacture locally. Some of these initiatives include the Saudi Industrial Development Fund, the Saudi Export Development Authority, and a very important one for me is the Human Resource Development Fund, which the aim is to provide financial support to organizations that train and qualify Saudis in the private sector specifically. Saudi Arabia has always had a very big government sector as far as Saudi employees are concerned, and the drive is very much to qualify and skill local Saudis in the private sector and most specifically in the manufacturing industries as well, to make it more attractive and lucrative to them too. So that's just a little bit of insights into what the current Saudi market looks like in relation to spare parts.